Mommy at Daddy ko yan. Ay, ako yan, tsaka si Kuya ng bata pa kami. Si Kuya Mike, si Kuya Peter, si Kuya Nelson, at si Kuya Brandon 10 years ago.
You know what? I think I've seen you before. Basta, I can't wait to see you again. And I will see you soon.
Good evening, everyone. This is your Heartbreak Hero. Join me tonight until 12 midnight.
Heartbreak Hero?
Allow me to caress your evening
Sino
with
yun?
beautiful music, poems, and love thoughts.
RRFM, good evening.
Hello? Asan si Midnight Phantom?
May I know who's calling?
This is, Nadja, basta ako yung tumawag ng isang gabi. Ako yung nag-request and he sang live for me, remember?
Oh, yes. I'm sorry, pero wala siya ngayong gabi.
Is he okay? Is he sick?
Well, hindi ko alam eh. But anyway, do you have any request?
No, thank you. My love, nasan ka?